In today's video, we are going to look at cat saliva in microscope. So this is the cat saliva is placed under the microscope. We're trying to look at how the saliva appears on microscope. So under 40 times magnification, let's see how it reveals. These are the things we saw when we try to examine the cat saliva 40 times view. As you can see, these are worms or these are bacteria that usually found in cat saliva. So let's see how it is under 4400 magnification. These are the salivas and these are the organisms that are found in the saliva. So most of these cats, they have also most of these pets, they have also some dangerous organisms. Like they usually comes with a lot of conditions like cryptosporadiasis, like giardiasis, like hookworm. All these are conditions that one can get as a result of coming in contact with cat saliva. And we found out that most people, because of the intimacy of their pets, within and their pets, it tends to have even hugging and even kissing their pets. I don't know how that can result in many disease condition. And this kind of disease condition, it gets into you unnoticed. You don't know the time that you've contracted the condition, and you might not know the root until some investigation has been carried out and some history taken has been taken. Then you'll be able to realize that this is the root. So please try to restrict yourself from coming in contact or have to exchange your body fluids with your pet. And there's what is called allergic cat reactions. I have a video, you can check. This is a video, you can check it to see how the kind of condition that mostly one can contract it as a result of having cat or rearing cat at home. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, please like this video. I want you to like this video for other people to see. Just do me this favor, like this video. Please like this video, because almost all of us, so to say, have this pet in our home, and we don't know how it's dangerous to us. When you are eating, your cat will come and eat you together, and you continue eating. So please like this video and make your comment seen. Remember to subscribe to my channel in order to see all the video that I have in this channel. If you are watching it from Facebook, and if you are watching it from YouTube, and if you are watching it from Facebook, give me a follow. That follow will also allow you to see all the videos I dropped in my channel. Let's see it. As you can see, all these are microorganisms. There's bacteria, there are viruses, there are even worms that are all together here. Just this is the saliva of cats, and we don't know how this condition can be. It can be detrimental to us. We don't know. So please try to restrict your intimacy with your pet. Thank you for watching. We will see you on another video. Bye.